Abranda restaurant by LADO Arquitectura e Design in Portugal. If the archetypal traditional Portuguese fishing village still exists, then maybe Porto Covo is this. The mix of whitewashed cottages, cobbled streets, and pretty squares perched on the low cliff tops of the Alentejo coast make Porto Covo a great escape spot, just 170 kilometers south of Lisbon. The historic heart of Porto Covo, Largo Marquês de Pombal, is a marvel of 18th-century popular architecture. The plan of the urban center reveals a certain geometric proportion of its boundaries and the straight mesh of streets placed parallel and perpendicular. The urban center presents a square with a church, surrounded by residential buildings, repetitive in simple facades, with small clods in the four corners adding rhythm and originality to the set. In the very heart of this amazing square, facing the church, Abranda is a brand new destination for foodies, where to enjoy great food and drinks. With a rectangular floor plan of approximate 70 square meters of indoor area, plus 150 square meters of outdoor area, the venue was a former residential space. To turn it into a restaurant, Studio LADO designed a space that feels comfortable and airy, both cozy and contemporary, in full respect of the building's traditional architecture. The main room boasts an exposed timber roof structure, with a traditional ceiling cladded with local bamboo, all painted white. Dividing the bar from the seating area, a full-length arch was created, adding a curvaceous feeling to the space. Covering all the interior floor, custom-designed encaustic cement tiles of geometric pattern, in shades of pink and light gray, create an optical vibration throughout the space. The interior design scheme is simple, mostly white walls and ceiling, neutral colors with some touches of terracotta-colored elements. Other materials found in the project are limestone alayas, light gray painted wood, natural oak chairs, and wickers lamps. In the backyard, a square pergola was designed, creating a sun-protected outdoor space, with Roman stripe ceramic blocks laid in a herringbone pattern. The white-painted metal structure accommodates a long communal wooden table, with a stone top, as well as white metal tables and chairs. Customers may also seat on the street in white metal chairs, where they enjoy the beauty of Porto Covo's main square while enjoying a glass of wine.